Hi everyone. Today, let's learn about onyomi and kun'yomi, the two ways of reading kanji. Have you ever wondered, why does one kanji have so many readings? Let's clear that up in just 5 minutes. First, let's start with onyomi. Onyomi is the Chinese reading of a kanji. When kanji came to Japan from China, the pronunciation also came along. That Chinese-based reading is called onyomi. For example, take the character mountain. Its onyomi is san. So in Fujisan, the san is the onyomi reading. Quick tip. Onyomi is usually used in compound words, where two or more kanji are joined together.
例、学校、電車、文化。
Next is kun'yomi. Kun'yomi is the native Japanese reading of a kanji. In other words, it's an existing Japanese word matched with a kanji character. Let's go back to mountain. Its kun'yomi is yama, a word that already existed in Japanese before kanji. Quick tip. Kun'yomi is often used when the kanji stands alone or appears in verbs and adjectives.
例、山、水、食べる。
So how can you tell which reading to use? Here's a helpful trick. If it's a compound word with two or more kanji, it's probably onyomi. If it's a single kanji or a verb/adjective, it's probably kun'yomi. Let's take the word yomu, which means to read. This is the kun'yomi reading, the native Japanese reading, and it's used when the word is a verb. Now compare it to dokusho, which means reading, as a noun. This word uses the onyomi reading, the Chinese-style reading, because it's a compound word made of two kanji. So even though both words share the same character, the reading changes depending on how it's used. Actually, most kanji have both readings, onyomi and kun'yomi. Which one you use depends on how the word is used in the sentence. Let's look at the character used in umareru, sensei, and yishu. Even though they all share the same kanji, the reading and meaning change depending on the word. In umareru, meaning to be born, the reading is kun'yomi, the native Japanese reading, used in verbs. In sensei, meaning teacher, and yishu, meaning a lifetime, the reading is onyomi, the Chinese-style reading, used in compound words. So one character, but multiple readings depending on the context. That's the beauty of Japanese kanji. Onyomi equals Chinese reading used in compound kanji words. Kun'yomi equals Japanese reading used in native words, verbs, etc. Many kanji have both, and the context decides which to use. Now you understand onyomi and kun'yomi a bit better, right? Try checking which reading is used the next time you see a kanji. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Japanese learning tips. See you next time.